Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to make a curve hole manually on your worktop by importing a Dxf file. Alright, let's get started. So as you can see, I'm already inside my customized kitchen cabinet function and I have already dragged out a few cabinets. Alright, so now to import a Dxf file, we can always use a super plate. So just drag a super plate out. Okay, and then we can resize this super plate. Alright, once I'm done resizing this super plate, I can click on B. Alright, so go into the board selection mode, right click onto your panel, okay, and then use the panel point editing function. Alright, over here you may be able to import your 2D drawing. Okay, so I've previously drew this circle on my AutoCAD, so right now I can just import into my panel. Right, and as you can see at the top left corner, this circle, the shape is actually a panel right now. So we want to turn this shape into a hole. Alright, so to do that, click onto the shape, the circle, and then make sure you favorite. Okay, and then save it. Alright, so once you're done saving and favorite it, you may delete this hole. Alright, so after deleting, you can always use open a hole and then click on add from library. Okay, so this is the part that I asked you to favorite and save it. So it's always here in your collection. Okay, so just drag the hole out and place it onto your super plate. Alright, save it, return. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so as you can see, there's a hole. So right now I can use the Z button, Z, to rotate and also place it onto my cabinet as my worktop. Okay, so over here, let me adjust the size, 896. Okay, this one 780 for my elevation. Okay, for my depth, maybe I change it to 550. Okay, so now I have everything in place. I can actually adjust a little bit more. Okay, and there you have it. This is how to make a curve hole on a worktop manually by importing a Dxf. Good luck trying, guys.